What's up, YouTube? It is your handy homegirl Danny, and welcome back to my channel. Danny did it. This is another freaking plant video, and today's video we are going to be I can't even, I'm so excited. We're going to be planting mammoth elephant ears. So let's get to it. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm so mad right now because I cannot find my camera or my freaking camera holder thingy when you're using your cell phone like I'm doing right now. I cannot find it, and I need to get this stuff recorded because this is a great fun freaking day. But let's show you what we got. So this is my potting soil that I'm going to be using, and I've already mixed some perlite into it. I'm trying to use a black edge for my dog so she doesn't go downstairs. But we have two beautiful freaking bulbs that we are going to be planting. Like, freaking look at the, I don't know what these call, y'all. I'm still a new plant mom, so let me know down below what these little thingies are called. I mean, they're $14. I'm not super upset because we know they come back next year, so all of the investments that I'm making this year is going to be returned, and I'm pretty sure this being the mother plant, at the end of the growing season I could take off some bulbs from these, and look, they are already starting to sprout. So obviously we know what side is up and what side is down, this being the bottom of the bulb and this being the top of the bulb. So we're going to be planting it vertically right down into the soil today. I got them from Lowe's, obviously $13.98, and I do have two of them, and we are going to be planting them inside of this 17-gallon bucket that I got from Big Lots for $9. Now this is the cheapest that I've ever been able to find something this size. Like I said, $9. I've seen $22, $35, $45. So I wanted to use something that was not actually a flower pot because I knew it would be less expensive. And plastic containers are awesome. They do come with the handle, so that way if I ever have to move her, I'll be able to do so. Okay guys, you know the drill. So corny. You know the drill. We gotta drill some holes in the bottom of our container. You know, I am putting plenty holes, just making sure that we've got great drainage at the bottom of this nice big size container. You know, very crucial step in anything that you're using to plant. Next, I'm going to be pouring my soil directly into the bucket. I'm filling this up about 2/3 of the way because next I'm going to be planting the bulb, and then I'm going to cover those bulbs with some more soil. So this is what we have here. You can go ahead and water or just move on to the next step. And this next step should go without saying. Make sure that you take off the price tags. Mine did have some staples in there as well, and I removed them due to the flesh of the bulb. It was fairly easy to take the staples out. And so let me just show you. These are what my two bulbs look like. Like I said, both of them have already started to wake up from their dormancy, so it's going to be pretty easy for them to start showing some foliage, which I absolutely can't wait. So I've already mixed up some more soil with the perlite. So from where they are now, they say to bury them at least 8 feet deep. So what I have right now, I'm obviously going to fill up with soil, but this is probably like only like 4.5. So I'm just gonna move some soil out the way before I sit the bulbs in there, and then go ahead and plant. And one other thing I did forget to mention, I don't have on gloves right now, but they do say that they have something that comes on them that may upset you if you have sensitive skin. So if you do, please be sure to wear some gloves when you are working with these Colocasia mammoth freaking elephant ears. And I also went ahead and moved the pot to its place where it's going to stay, because I'm pretty sure that once I fill it up, put the bulbs and fill it up, it's going to be a little bit heavier. It's not wet, so it's not super heavy right now. So I would recommend that you get all your planting done first and then put it in its final location before you do that first initial watering. And like I said, I do not have my recording thing, so I'm just going to show you. I'm going to plant one at a time. I dug a little hole for this baby, and I'm trying to have them as separated as possible because, again, these things are going to grow freaking humongous. So once I sat that one down, I could go ahead and move that and just dig a hole for the other bulb. Damn it. And again, sitting that baby directly vertical. And I'm just gonna move the soil back over it and then go ahead and refill it, and I'll be right back. And I got that baby all the way together, and I did check the weather advisory, and it's going to be raining off and on for the next few days, so I'm not going to be too super worried about watering. I mean, I'm going to give it a nice little bit, but I'm not going to flood it all the way to the bottom, which I would do if this was an initial planting of a bulb and that there was no rain in the forecast for the next few days or, you know, week or so. You know, I would water it heavily until I start to see some out the bottom, and then just go ahead and let it rest. But I'm just going to give it just a little bit of watering, like I said, because it's going to rain in the next few days. And I simply cannot wait till we start seeing some stuff. But if y'all haven't done so already, please make sure you're subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell notification so you can see everything. I just planted some short and sweet carrots today as well. My old gladiolas that I planted a couple of weeks ago are doing good. This is a jumbo Colocasia who has started to sprout almost a month now.